Hey everyone, it's Dale here. Before you even get started with trading order flow, you need two things. You need a trading platform that supports the order flow software, and you need data. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the most popular order flow trading platforms, and I'll show you what data you need for the symbols that you want to trade. And as a bonus, I'll also show you a little trick how you can get very cheap order flow data. Alright, let's get started. So in here there's a table with popular order flow platforms. There's the NinjaTrader platform. It has the largest retail community. It has many footprint or volume delta add-ons. It's a little bit more complex to set up, but nothing I would be worried about too much. There are two versions of NinjaTrader. One is free, and one costs $99 per month. I'm actually using the free version, and you know what the paid version gives you is you can trade through NinjaTrader, and second thing, you can use their order flow, their volume profile, and their VWAP indicators. But because I have my own indicators, like order flow, volume profile, VWAP, and others, I don't actually need to use theirs. And also, I don't really want to trade through NinjaTrader. I want to trade through my broker, which is IC Markets, and I want to trade through their platform, which is CTrader. Because if you want to trade with NinjaTrader, you are basically stuck with brokers that they support, right? So I'm using the free version, I'm using my indicators, and I'm trading through my broker's platform. This way you can use the NinjaTrader for free. There are no other limitations to it, so I think it's perfect. Anyways, the next one is Sierra Chart. This one is also a rather popular platform. I must say that it is a bit outdated, so that's why I'm not really into it too much. And it's also hard to configure. But, you know, upside is that they have really good data. It's unfiltered, even historically. So this is definitely an upside, and the reason why to use Sierra Charts, the cost is not terrible, $36 per month. But if I had to choose between Sierra and NinjaTrader, I would always pick NinjaTrader over Sierra. The next one is ADAS, which stands for Advanced Trading Analytical Software. It's limited to futures, crypto, and stocks. It's quite user-friendly, and it's built specifically for order flow. The cost is $85 per month. The next one is QuantTower. It has a smaller community, that means fewer tutorials, but it's quite modern and strong footprint and delta tools. So this one is doable as well. It costs $70 per month. The one that I've listed here, but I wouldn't really recommend using it, is TradingView. I listed it because it's very popular, but the problem is that it lacks full tick data. It's rather simple software for retail traders, so it's not really specialized in order flow, VWAP, volume profile like the rest. You've probably tried it. It's very easy to use, it's very intuitive. And it hasn't included order flow in the past, but right now it does include order flow. I must say that I'm not really a huge fan of their order flow, but if you have TradingView app and if you have one of their higher plans, then you can give it a try. The cost is $70 per month, and I think that's the premium one where the order flow is included. In the cheaper ones, the order flow is not included. You need platform and you need data. So let's talk about the data. For intraday trading with order flow, you already need precise data, and you'll want the CME data. There are a couple of exchanges, and you can pick one based on what you want to trade. There's the CME exchange, where you'll get data for the ES, which is futures for Standard & Poor's Index 500, for Nasdaq, for Russell, currency futures, and interest rates. The cost is roughly $12 per month. Then there is CBOT, where you'll get data for the Dow, for 30-year bonds, 10-year treasury notes, corn, soybeans, and wheat. The cost is also $12 per month. Then there's COMEX, where you'll get data for gold, silver, and copper futures. Again, $12 per month. Then there's NYMEX, where you'll get data for crude oil and natural gas futures. Again, $12 per month. Or if you opt out for all of them together, then you can get that for roughly $30 or $40 per month. Now, what I'd like to show you is a little trick how you can get all the CME data for just $4 per month. So the first step is you open an account with NinjaTrader. There are a couple of things that you need to fill out. The second thing is that you need to fund your account. There's no minimum balance, so you can deposit, for example, $100. The third thing, once you've done the step 1 and step 2, is you can purchase the CME data for just $4 per month. Only thing that you need to remember is that every month you need to place at least one trade. The volume doesn't matter, so it could be just the smallest order once per month, and that's it. And if you do that, your account remains active and you can get all the CME data for just $4 per month. I've made a video on this. It's more detailed. It's step by step. You can follow it. There's a link here, and I'll also drop the link in the video description so you can check it out. It will lead you through the whole process and you can get the data for $4 a month. That's what I do. Now here's a little summary of what I recommend. So I recommend using the NinjaTrader 8 platform, using their free version. I recommend using the CME data for $4 per month. And regarding the trading instruments, this is my personal preference, and I like to trade currency futures and the ES. So I recommend starting with that. But obviously, if you are not into currency futures or the ES, you can trade anything else you want. But this is just what I personally prefer and what I personally trade.